welcome to the Baking Lowdown. Today we'll be making
another recipe out of this book. Today, that's what we got.
Chocolate dunked peanut butter cookies.
Yeah, so that's what we're gonna make today. And I'll show you all the ingredients and let's get
started.
First, you're gonna need half a cup of butter. This whole recipe is vegan, so we're using vegan butter. So it's just one stick, and you're gonna put it in your stand mixer for about a minute until it gets creamy, and then we will follow the rest of the ingredients. Now that our butter has been blended for a minute, it's nice and creamy, we are going to add our peanut butter, which is half a cup. We are going to add our cane sugar, which is a quarter cup. We're gonna add our brown sugar, which is half a cup. Add our 1/4 of pumpkin puree and mix that up as well. And then we can start putting our dry ingredients after. Go ahead, dump it in. Now for our dry ingredients, we are going to put 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We are going to put half a teaspoon of baking powder and baking soda. And then we're going to need a teaspoon and a half of cornstarch. And then you can start putting your flour in. What you want to do with the flour is put half of cup first and start turning it with a spoon, and then once everything is combined, then you can add the rest of the remaining flour in. Yeah, now we're going to add our wet ingredients, 3 tablespoons of milk. That's 2 tablespoons there, and then we have 1 more to go. You're going to preheat your oven to 350. While that's preheating, you're going to freeze your dough for about 20 minutes or refrigerate it for 35 minutes. Alright, our dough is done cooling down in the fridge. You can take about 2 tablespoons worth, roll it around on your palm, and you're going to put it on your pan, flatten it out. Yep. Let's not put it too close to the edge, so this way it has some space, but you gotta flatten it like this, palm, alright? And what you wanna do is take your fork and press. Like that. Put that on, fill up your pan, and throw it in the oven for about 15 minutes. Okay, oven's good. Just be very careful sliding it in. Parchment paper, let it cool, and then you're done. Just dump the rest.
Perfect.
That's pretty good. Can't go bad with peanut butter and chocolate. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell. And don't forget to have a good sweet day. You forgot the punchline, man. Later.